How are you all? Oh, all my students are fantastic and happy. Okay, I am also happy with your work, students, because आप मुझे फोटोज क्लिक करके व्हाट्सएप पे भेज रहे हैं। सो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मुझे पता चल रहा है कि मेरे लवली स्टूडेंट्स वीडियोस देख रहे हैं और वो एक्सरसाइज भी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, है ना स्टूडेंट्स? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप वेट कर रहे हो ना कि कब मैम एक्सरसाइज 1 सॉल्व करवाएंगे। सो वी विल बी सॉल्विंग आवर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इन दिस वीडियो. We were on chapter 7, that is numbers up to 100. This video is part 3 video. In this video, we will solve our exercise 1 and exercise 2. So are my lovely students ready with their textbook? So students, page number 75 of your textbook. Dun, dun, dun. So now let's start it. Page number 75. Here's our first exercise. In this, हमें कुछ जगह पे numbers दिए हैं. We have to split it down into tens and ones. And in some places, we are supposed to write the numbers as well as we are supposed to write the whole name. So, are my lovely students ready? Remember, अगर 2 digit होते हैं, the first digit is known as tens and the last one is known as ones. Let's start the exercise. Complete the table. 6 4 64. 6 tens and 4 ones equals to 64. Okay, first one is done. We will solve the second one. 7 2 72. 7 tens and 2 ones equals to 72. Okay students, now let's discuss the third one. 5 8 58. 5 tens and 8 ones equals to 58. EIGHT. It's so easy now. My lovely students are enjoying it. Now let's discuss the next one. Oh, I don't have your number. I don't have your. I have your. That is 79. 79 79. So 7 9 79. 7 9 is already there. Okay, let's move to the next one. 6 7 67. 6 tens and what will come here? Yes, 7 ones equals to 67. 67. 8 8 88. So what will be the tens one in 8 8? Yes, 8 will become tens. 8 tens and 8 ones equals to 88. 70 70. 7 tens and 0 ones equals to 70. SEVENTY. 70. So now you able to know what we have to do in this exercise 1. Oh, you enjoyed it. So now my lovely students are ready to solve the remaining one. Okay. So the remaining sums you will be solving. So students, you can pause the video and you can complete the sums. Now let's move to the exercise 2 of the day. That is, our question number 1 is use greater than, less than or equal to. आपको याद आई एक्सरसाइज? जिसने जहाँ जो नंबर ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा, the fish will open her mouth at her side. For example, if here is the big one, so the fish will open the mouth this side. Remember, students? So let's discuss it. 7 4 74, 7 3 73. Out of these two numbers, which number is greater? Yes, very good, students. 7 4 74. So the fish will open the mouth at 74. 6 9 69 dash 6 9 69. दोनों जगह सेम नंबर होंगे देन? Yes, very good, students. That is equal to. Okay, the remaining two you will solve as a homework. Now let's come to question number 2. What comes just after? हमें after वाला बताना है. ओके, 55 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? से very good, 56. What comes after 47? 4 7 47 4. Yes, 4 8 48. 7 6 76. What comes after 76? 7 7 77. So students, you will be solving the remaining sums of question number 2. Okay, now let's move to question number 3. What comes just before? Before means पहले. Okay, 49 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 4 9 49. उसके ऊपर कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, 4 8 48. What comes before 6 4 64? 6 3 63. Oh, my students are so smart. 5 7 57. What comes before 5 7 57? Yes, 5 6 56. What comes before 79? 7 9 79. Then 7 8 78. So students, now you will be solving the remaining question, that is this line. Now let's discuss the last question of the day. What comes in between? दो नंबर के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? You have to say. You know everything. 53 dash 55. What comes between 53? Yes, 54 55. 6 9 69. What comes after 6 9 69? Yes, 70. So students, the remaining two you will be solving. So students, here we complete our exercise 1 and exercise 2 of the day. So in next video we will be completing this whole chapter and the syllabus will also be over. Don't worry, I will be sending you the notes which are you supposed to copy in the notebook. Then afterwards you will be sending me the photo shots. Okay students?